Hi, welcome back. Let's talk about aggregation. So let's start with a two-dimensional array represented here on the left, and let's look at the axes. So this is axis 0 and this is axis 1. And let's do a summation using np_sum. We specify a, our array variable, and we specify the axis of summation. So here axis 0 means that we sum in this direction. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, and 3 plus 6 is 9. We could do a product on the other axis, axis 1, and we would be multiplying values in this direction. 1 times 2 times 3 is 6. If you don't specify the axis, it will do the aggregation operation on the entire NumPy array. So np_prod A without axes will be a product of all these elements. Okay, there's something you have to be very careful when dealing with NumPy arrays. So this NumPy array is a 1D NumPy array, as we've seen before, but this one below is a 2D NumPy array, but with only one element on the axis 0. So if you look at their shapes, you'll see this is the shape of a 1D array and this is the shape of a 2D array, but that only has one element on axis 0. And 90% of problems we have in tutorials, they're related to this, confusing a 1D NumPy array with a 2D NumPy array of only one element on axis 0. Okay, now that you are aware of this, let's go back to Colab and do exercise 13 and 14 with aggregation under NumPy.